the last message of Allama Iqbal, which was given on the New Year day, 1st January 1938. This is about 3 months before his death. In this message, he lays emphasis on human unity or humanism, and he actually, his conclusion is the survival of humanity. It is necessary for man to respect his fellow men in the same way as it is necessary for him to learn to respect religions of others than his own. It is only through the adoption of this moral and spiritual approach that man may rise to a fresh vision of the future. This speech is very significant. I have cited it, I've given it Urdu translation in Khutbat-e-Iqbal, Tafhim. Towering question which Iqbal grappled with this period, obviously the decadence of the community. You see, when he claims himself to be the poet of tomorrow, that tomorrow is yet to come. We have not really come out of this decadence, or that process is not yet taken us out from this problem. That tomorrow is yet to come. This is what I think, because we are all still struggling to get out of the forces of decay. The forces of decay, of course, present themselves in different forms of extremism, of not tolerating the viewpoint of the others. All these difficulties, and then again periodic march to the past rather than thinking in terms of the future. Why does it happen to the culture of Islam that after every 10 or 20 or 30 or 40 years, we always try to go back to the past? Why can't we contemplate of a new future? Why are we become incompetent? Iqbal thinks that the reason for that is the Malukiyat, or what you call monarchy. He thinks the reason for that is because of monarchy, the emphasis on the newly created kind of mazhabi peshwaiyat or priesthood in Islam, which apparently doesn't exist, but we have created it because we are too lazy to perform the rituals of Islam ourselves. So we have created this group of priests who are not supposed to be there. And then the third thing, of course, is what you call piri muridi. That still, of course, is a very living factor which is disabling, because we use Sufism as a message of peace. Our peace for what? Peaceful we are already because we have no power. Message of peace is to be given to those who are violent, who can use their atom bomb, or who can overpower the others, culturally, socially, economically, politically. They are the ones who need the message of peace, not us. We are a peaceful people anyway. All weak people are peaceful. They stand for peace.